In front of me is CUBOT Note 50, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Then you need to click on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear one instead. Tap on voice typing and click on this gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on no visible microphone. If you never used it before, tap on while using the app in the pop-up. Then tap on your microphone again to start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!